Diet, 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 diet. All about the diet, guys. Eat clean.
Non-negotiable. Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. A lot of it.
Can't do without.
It's non-negotiable at all. There's no way around it. Like, I cannot leave my house without sunscreen. I have to reapply it like every 3 hours.
It's always sunscreen. How can it be anything but sunscreen?
Moisturizer and SPF.
Summer, winter, rains, it is sunscreen.
Don't want to have wrinkles so fast. You want to be protected, so sunscreen.
Definitely twice, which is like the liquid version of it, but also the sunstick, which I use like every 1 hour, 2 hours just to like reapply it.
Twice a day, I think, is enough if you're out in the sun.
3 to 4 times a day.
Twice a day.
I'm very naughty, just once a day, if we're lucky.
A lot of people think, oh, I just applied it in the morning, so I'm good for the whole day. But that's the mistake what a lot of people do. Technically, you have to reapply it.
I think keep applying. Just finish that bottle today.
But blotting paper, you can literally, without any mirror or anything, you can just like go over these T-zones, sweaty T-zones, oily zones, and you're sorted.
Diet, 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 diet. All about the diet, guys. Eat clean and you will see your skin change.
I'm all about having oil in your body and face. It doesn't let you age, so keep the oil coming.
I think hydrate yourself. Before anything else, you should hydrate yourself a lot for anything.
Get a bronzer, apply the bronzer on your face, get a moisturizer, and then top it with blush, and you don't need foundation.
I always keep a blotting paper handy, or I have a lot of like tissues.
Using fixing spray, which is refreshing, and there's different ones, also mattifying, so fixing spray.
The ice packing is what everybody is doing, and that works wonderfully, and lots of sunscreen. That's my skincare hack.
Use a lot of oil again, like coconut oil, maybe add a little bit of a castor oil, maybe add a little bit of a neem oil, sleep on with oil, wake up with oil, wipe it off when you're on camera.
My ideal skincare routine is very simple, it's very minimalistic, it's not influencer-like at all. There's no tap on the products, nothing of that sort. It's not a 10-step routine. It's just moisturizer, sunscreen, and a little bit of makeup if you want, and that's about it.
It's a very old routine, CTM, which is cleansing, toning and moisturizing, and you can add sunscreen to it.
Get up, I take a shower, and ice, a lot of ice inside a bowl of water, and then just like dunk my face in and out. That is essential for me.
Just figure out what works for you, what works for your skin, and do that. Don't get influenced.
Cleaning, and then the serum, and then the moisturizer, and sunscreen is a must.
Washing your face, moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's that.
So I double cleanse and then I apply essence, my toner, my vitamin C, and then my moisturizer. Sometimes I do a sheet mask in between and then sunscreen in the end.
My ideal skincare routine is doing it, washing my face twice a day, lots of moisturizing, lots of eye cream, all the good stuff.
Rinsing your face, washing your face properly, use any kind of moisturizer. It is very, very important.
To keep myself hydrated, to moisturize my skin, I definitely use a nice under eye cream, and that's my skincare routine.
So I wash my face using a soap-free face wash, my serum, and I do my moisturizer and my sunscreen.
I just wear a moisturizer, that's about it. SPF, I don't wear it. So all the SPF instructions that I've given you, that's for you, not for me.